Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all motions and gestures available on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings in order to find them, then scroll down and go to advanced features. And over here we will start with the motions and gestures, of course. And here we have some of the gestures like double tap to turn on and turn off the screen. So this is how it looks like. If I double tap on my screen, then I can turn it off. And if I double tap it, then I can turn it on, of course, with the lock screen if it's enabled. In addition to that, we also have alert when phone picked up. So your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. This is pretty cool. We also have mute with gestures. So if there is an incoming call and alarm, then you can put your hand over the screen, or you can turn your phone face down like so, in order to mute the alarm or the mentioned incoming call. We also have the option called palm swipe to capture, which allows you to swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. In order to use the palm swipe, you need to put your hand like this and then swipe from the left to the right like so. And this is how we can make the screenshot. Now let's go back and let's also visit the multi-window options. Over here we have two more gestures. One is swipe for a split screen if we enable it, and we can also tap on the name in order to see how it works. So we need to swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen in order to open this split screen view. So let's give it a try. One more time. Okay, so this time it seems to be not working for me, even though it did work before. Maybe with those two fingers. Maybe from the very bottom. Yeah, so from the very bottom of the screen it works actually. And then we will need to select another app that we want to use, of course. So like, I don't know, like photos, why not? And as you can see now, we can use two apps at the same time. Another gesture is the swipe for pop-up view, which allows you to switch the view of the app from the normal, like this one, to a small one. So if you go from the top right corner, then we can resize it, as you can see over here. And this is how we can use the pop-up view. And we can simply tap on it, I believe, in order to, yeah, we can tap on this blue line at the top in order to go back to the full screen, like so. So these are all the motions and gestures available on this device. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!